Langley City Fire Rescue Firefighter Physical Abilities Test. Station 1. Reduced visibility. The objective of this task is to ensure you are comfortable wearing an SCBA in low visibility conditions. You will have 4 minutes to complete this task. Before testing starts, you will don a blacked out face mask, helmet, and gloves. Your face mask must remain on throughout the test. Removing the mask before completing your task will eliminate you from the test. Candidate will be monitored throughout. The officiator will guide you to the start of the task. You will be asked to demonstrate your ability to follow instructions and navigate a predetermined path in reduced visibility environment. Timing starts when you are told to start. Station 2. Aerial climb. The objective of this task is to ensure you are comfortable working at heights. You will have 4 minutes to complete this task. You will be in a harness and attached to a safety line while climbing the ladder. The allotted time is more than enough to complete the task in a safe manner. Climb ladder using rungs only, do not skip rungs. On your way down, the officiator will call out "step in" twice, once for each transition between aerial sections. Ensure your foot is on the rung properly at these transitions. Once harnessed, you will climb to the aerial platform at the base of the ladder and attach to the safety line. When told to begin, you will ascend 23 meters or 75 feet to the top rung. After the officiator acknowledges you reach the top, you will descend. Timing will begin when you are told to start climbing and stop when both feet are planted back on the aerial platform. Failure to follow these instructions will result in dismissal from the test. Station 3. Mannequin drag. The objective of this task is to simulate a rescue scenario. You will have 46 seconds to complete this task. You will drag an 80 kilogram or 175 pound mannequin a total of 30 meters or 100 feet. You are to move backwards, dragging the mannequin 15 meters or 50 feet around a pylon and then back to the starting point. Time will start when you grasp the harness and are told to start, and will stop once the mannequin completely crosses the finish line. Station 4. Ladder extension. The objective of this task is to ensure you are capable of raising and lowering a 25-foot ladder in a vertical position to its maximum height. You will have 66 seconds to complete this task. You will raise a ladder section in a controlled hand-over-hand fashion. The rope cannot be wrapped around your hands. The ladder must be raised to a predetermined height. The officer will acknowledge when the ladder has been raised and will instruct you to lower it to the ground. Lowering the ladder must be done in a controlled hand-over-hand fashion. Allowing the rope to slip through the hands is not permitted. Timing starts when you touch the rope and stops when the ladder is lowered to the ground. Station 5. Tower climb. The objective of this task is to ensure you can carry equipment up multi-story buildings using stairwells only. You will have 3 minutes, 8 seconds to complete this task. You will carry a hose bundle fold up and down 3 floors. Pick up the bundle fold and place on your left shoulder. Grip the handrail with your right hand and start climbing. You must maintain hand contact with handrail until you reach the top landing. Once on the top landing, shift the bundle fold to the right shoulder and grip the handrail with your left hand while descending. You must maintain hand contact with handrail during your descent. When you reach the starting point, shift the bundle fold back to your left shoulder and repeat the climb and descend a second time following the same procedures. A foot must land on each stair. Do not skip stairs. Timing starts when you touch the bundle fold and stops when you place the bundle fold on the ground after the second descent. Station 6. Hose roll raise. The objective of this task is to ensure you are capable of hoisting equipment using a rope. You will have 52 seconds to complete this task. You will be required to raise a hose roll weighing 25 kilograms or 55 pounds to a height of 17 meters or 56 feet using the attached rope. In a hand-over-hand fashion, raise the roll until it touches the top rail of the guardrail. Dragging the rope over the railing is not permitted. The officiator will acknowledge when the roll has touched the top rail and you can begin to lower the hose roll. In a controlled fashion, lower the hose roll back to the floor. Letting the hose roll drop or allowing the rope to slide through the hands is not permitted. Timing will start when you touch the rope and stop when the hose roll is back on the ground. Station 7, Fire Hose Make and Break. The objective of this task is to demonstrate the ability to couple and uncouple fire hose. This test demonstrates candidates' manual dexterity. It is expected that this task is completed with urgency while walking and wearing gloves. Running is not allowed. You will have 2 minutes to complete this task. The test begins with the candidate standing at the female end of the rolled out fire hose. You will walk down the right side of the fire hose. You will couple 3 lengths of 2.5-inch fire hose and make sure you step on the male coupling as you connect the lengths. You will continue to the end of the fire hose and connect the nozzle. You will then disconnect the nozzle and couplings in the reverse order. Timing starts when you grasp the 2.5-inch hose and stop when you return to the starting point. Station 8, Hose Advance. The objective of this task is to ensure you are capable of advancing fire hose during fireground operations. You will have 30 seconds to complete this task. You will advance 45 meters or 150 feet of charged 45 millimeter or 1 3/4 fire hose 30 meters or 100 feet. You may grip the hose in any fashion. Timing starts when you touch the nozzle or hose. When you and the nozzle cross the finish line, the timer will be stopped. Station 9, Storts Roll Carry. The objective of this task is to ensure you are capable of typical post-incident cleanup. You will have 15 seconds to complete this task. You will lift and carry a 41 kilogram or 90-pound roll of large diameter supply line, 15 meters or 50 feet. You will lift the roll from the tailboard of a fire truck, carry it around the pylon and back to the truck. When you reach the truck, return the hose roll flat on the tailboard. Timing will start when you touch the roll and stop once the roll is placed flat on the tailboard. After completion of the 9 timed stations, candidates will be required to complete a 20-meter multi-stage fitness test, otherwise known as the BEEP test. Please refer to the Firefighter Physical Abilities Testing Guide for the link to instructions for completing this task.